and masters of camouflage, ambush, and sneak attack. They do not play fair. They cannot even spell fair. You don't want them to work for the party. That's what I'm trying to convey. Megatron, their leader, he is power-hungry, pure evil. And unequal in battle except for Optimus Prime. He would like nothing more in life than to make all of humanity, that's you, his slaves. Starscream, the Decepticons' air commander and Megatron's second in command. A cowardly, crafty space. For your own sake.
General, who is next top operative for exit evacuation?
That would be Autobot evac, correct?
You need to scramble evac immediately, General. To evac the Allspark.
Now hold on there, Stalwart. You are out of line. My orders are to protect the Allspark at its source.
Refuse. Stand down. Mutiny. Check it out. This is outrageous. Sending amateurs on a suicide mission. Don't. Stop. No.
Hey there, it's me, Wheelie. Commodore General Admiral Commander Wheelie. Monitoring our defenses, which I'm not holding so well. Here's what I got. I'm picking up Decepticon Ravage, moving his tail to sector 1030, sub-level 9. Sub-level 8. Sub-level 7. Oh man, that thing can move. He's heading right for the Allspark.
Recruits, Autobot evac has or soon will brief you on his orders to withdraw the Allspark and transport it to safety outside the city. We can no longer guarantee its protection here on base. Evac has made the run in simulations, but he has never faced field duty before, much less in combat conditions. So anything you can help him with might make all the difference. He has a great deal of faith in you recruits, and I hope he's right. Give up the Allspark.
Hey, this is Willie again, Richard 411. Our combat units can't hold the extraction route. Decepticon forces are breaking through. Decepticon Starscream identified. Decepticon Sideways identified. Tarzan on Decepticon Grinder. And Megatron. Oh, no, it's serious.
Okay, team. In case you missed them, here's your run rules.
evac can deploy 12 humans in 3 rows of order. When you are authorized, enter a row and move to the furthest available seat. Supervise children, making sure that each child has their own seat on board evac. Do not lower your lap restraint until everyone in your row is seated. And keep arms and legs clear of evac's door.
You forgot to remind them about their eyewear?
First, I was saying a silent prayer for their safety.
Okay, thanks. We're at war. Hurry up!
You will require a set of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. And of course, no eating, drinking, smoking, or photography of any kind. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated.
Extraction team, this is Optimus Prime. My Autobots are taking up battle stations in Nest and the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can, but the future of both our species will be decided by what happens with you. Protect the Allspark. Protect each other. Good luck. Prime out.
Recruits, we're heading out soon, so remember your orders.
Yeah, coming. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble...
Security breach. Level 2. Locked down.
Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Rabbit! He's after the Allspark! No! We gotta catch him! Go with me! Up on the catwalk! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city!
Good work. Autobots, roll out! I got Megatron! Keep going, Decepticons! Destroy them! Into the line, Earth's coming!
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters! How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way! We're trapped!
Surrender, perish! Your planet belongs to me!
Take cover! Close one. Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Burnish Vortex. We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe.
Rookie, they trusted you with this mission!
We got it. Skull Crusher. My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit. Hold on. Brace yourself. Everybody okay? Gotta find a way down. Optimus!
Cowards run, heroes fight. Your war is with me.
Compliments!
Protect the Allspark.
Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do?
Beg for mercy never.
No more running, recruits. He wants the Allspark? He can have it! Oh no!
Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with Evac anytime.